Hey everybody, Dan Krause here again. Today working on a 2019 Volkswagen Tiguan, hit in the right quarter panel. It's a very deep dent, kind of a long crease down through the body line. And I got access to the dent from the vent hole at the bottom of the quarter panel. So you can see I start massaging the dent out using a very soft tip. Starting to take shape. So here I'm knocking down those higher areas, blending things together. And we're left with this kind of longer crease at the bottom. So I bend up a tool so that I can get it in there to get the right leverage and start massaging the rest of the damage out. Here I'm finishing up with some final blending, just kind of smoothing everything out. And there it is, there's the final product. No painting, no Bondo, no body shop. This was all repaired in about 5 hours. If you have a dent that needs to be worked out, please give me a call, 269-216-8696. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.